Contrary to popular belief, Valentine's Day is not only for lovers but for all the people we love. On this particular day, an opportunity to express our love, respect, and appreciation to people around us is being celebrated all across the world. After the recent ease of COVID restrictions by the state government of Meghalaya, public parks and spaces were seen to be occupied by couples who had taken the day out to express their love for each other. A volunteer of the parking lot at Mattilang Park, Shillong, Michelle Bon Marshallong, felt that the ease in COVID restrictions has enabled visitors and tourists to once again frequent recreational and amusement spaces which were recently reopened to the general public. Marshallong was of the view that as compared to pre-COVID times, the current inflow of visitors and tourists has reduced to a great extent. He added that management of the park, however, has been maintaining strict entry of visitors as per protocols issued by the government through the health department.
Pada wan corona kemudian wan covid day kibri kidang buan pada wan unia pada alhamdulillah mantap la long barang kasorkar pa asya ki la khamya bun biang hi hai kini ki sni mentakan ni on ki sonde kumtu ni kini ki saturday la khambon hi long saturday la khambon hi ni ki long la bun hi ki bun et ki thana de nang ni hi apo Shillong hi ki wan Kolkata la si ki wan ka si banai na po Aisol na po nakalan kumtu apo Manipuri kiba pun kali po Shillong la hi kidan kiba po kumtu hi mungkin po bun siu pan kidom tu kumba ndrung wat nyut kala wan sung asong protokol tu kan hapi kali ro mentai la kham men wan corona dai ki khambun ni jam mentai la khamduna la mentai long lai pawa ma mi suang wan corona la long 10 kilo bai jing buan pi ma masman corona pan la bun long lai don kicing tiang kumtu la long lai pawa hi babun tidak pakai kasih jong oh kadan ya kata long mungkin hap penjengai tu ya kemudian kemudian family kan hap semua si jakam tu am long kan jabu protokol kan yaki penting hapan sakti dan kata ya kayu tiga ayu pan sakti itu hapan sanitizer lagi yang tu pan hap si jakam kan siang ni